if I want to do inspection on any material, then first of all, we need to activate the quality management view in the material on which we want to do the inspection. And then we specify what kind of inspection we want to do on that material. MM60 is the report which will give you the complete list of materials which are present. Say plant is 1100. For raw material, it is ROH executed. So it will give me the list of materials which are present in this plant 1100, and material type is as ROH, which is for raw material. At the time of procurement, I want to do the inspection. So one way is, let me check the same material, the session, to enter, and 1017 is the materials, enter. Here the quality management view is present on this material and the plant is 1100, enter. And in the inspection setup, present no inspection type is active. I want to do the inspection and the kind of inspection which I want to perform on this material. Here, if I click on this create inspection type. So now if I click on this, it will give me the complete list of inspection types which I can activate on this material. Code receipt inspection for the order, like the purchase order is created and then we do the MIGO. At that time, I want to do the inspection. Let me select say 01, click on this activate, okay. And here if I click on this details, it will display me the details of this inspection type. In the lower half part, we can see the default settings which are maintained for 01. Code receipt inspection for the order. And click on OK and then click on save. So now if I go to the change mode, it's already in the change mode, press enter. And the quality management view, my plant is 1100, enter. And in the inspection setup here, now this checkbox is checked, inspection setup. And if I click on this inspection setup, now inspection type 01 is active. And if I want to activate inspection type 01 in all these materials, so let me check this same material, 1018, the quality management view, plant 1100, present it is unchecked inspection setup, which means there is no inspection type at present active on this material 18. I want to activate inspection type 01 for the same material. And if I check for another material, which is 19, let's see that also. Quality management view. Here again, it is unchecked, which means that no inspection type is active on this. Second way is if you have multiple for all these materials which are present in this plant, or a specific list of material I have. Suppose if I want for this, let me copy few materials. Say you need to select Control Y and simply drag and drop. Okay, so I'm selecting these three material where the 01 inspection type is not active. Control C to copy it, and let's open another session, the transaction QA08, press enter. So here you can see mass change of quality management inspection setup data in the material. So in the inspection setup, if we want to do at the mass level changes in different materials, then we can use this transaction. Here you can see the name of the transaction. It is QA08. And specify the filters which we want to apply. If you are looking for all the raw materials, then you can enter ROH here, or any specific like finished or any material type you want to specify. Single material, if I have, then I can enter it here, or if I have multiple materials, material list, then you can click on this material selection. In the lower half part, you can see few icons are there. So here you can see this upload from the clipboard. So we have copied the material from that MM60 report. So if I click on this, it will copy it, or we can simply enter Control V. It will copy that. And then you click on this copy. Okay, so those materials are copied, and so to activate the inspection type or to deactivate the inspection type on material, so these things we can easily maintain. So here we can do the mask changes. Let me enter the plant filter also, which is 1100, because there is a possibility that same material might be present in different plants, but I want to activate only in 1100 plant. I can select, say, mass processing. Okay. Check this checkbox, activate despite inspection stock, so that there should be no data inconsistency. Here I can enter my inspection type, which I want to activate, which is, say, 01, and click on execute. Is opening this screen, and here just cross-check the details and click on OK. Then select all and then click on save. In the lower half part, three materials were processed. To see the details of these inspection setup for these materials, select all, click on this inspection setup, and it will display you the first material, which is 18. Here you can see, just check it. It is activated, click on OK. Now it is showing me the second material, which is 19, and click on OK, and this time 20. So it has been processed. Let's go back, and now I can check these material. Another session. Here I can enter, say, MM02, enter 19, quality management, plant is 1100. Now this is checked. You can, and 01 is activated. If I let me enter this time 02, 1020, enter, and here if I enter this, so now you can see inspection setup is activated with the 01. These were the material. 1018, enter a quality management view. So here you can see this checkbox is checked, and in the inspection setup, inspection type 01 is activated. This is how you activate in mass level. If you want to activate the inspection type, then you can use this transaction QA08. If I want to deactivate the inspection type in 19 and 20, same 01 inspection type, then same transaction can be used to deactivate also. So enter, here I can enter filter for plant, which is 1100. And in the material, I can enter, just click on paste. So same materials are coming. Suppose 18 and 19 I want to deactivate. Let me remove this, delete the row. So I have entered 18 and 19. Click on OK, copy, and select this deactivate inspection type option is there. Delete the inspection setup. If I select this, and here I can enter which inspection type I want to deactivate. Suppose it is 01. I have specified that I want to deactivate the inspection type 01, and then click on execute. So it is showing me these two materials. Okay, click on select all and click on save. So in the lower half part, you can see two materials were processed. Now let's check these same materials, 18 and 19 in the plant 1100. Now deactivated the inspection type 01. So if I open another session, MM02, enter, okay, it is 18, and quality management view material. Here you can see again it is unchecked, and if I go for the details, it has been deleted. I'm entering 19, enter quality management view, enter. Again, it is unchecked, and in the inspection setup, this is unchecked. The same transaction QA08 can be used for mass processing whether we want to activate any specific inspection type or we want to deactivate any inspection type.